As you can hear from the sound test, the difference between stock and lubed is very subtle. The stock U4Ts sound and feel great, and are the only switches that I've personally used that I would have no issues recommending using unlubed. For those that are looking for a slightly more refined experience, I would recommend lubing them with Gazzew's method, which is to lightly lube the rails and to donut dip the bottoms of the springs. You can also just bag lube the springs if you're lazy like me. I would also recommend leaving the stem untouched to preserve the tactility. I hope you all enjoyed the quick comparison video, and please stay tuned for more content in the future. I'm in the first batch of GMMK Pro orders and plan on making a video about it, featuring these Boba U4Ts as well. So if you're interested in that, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.